Always be proud of yourself for how far you have come, and never stop pushing to be the best you can be. Believe in the strength within you, because you've already conquered so much. Stay focused on your journey, no matter how tough the path may get. Every small step forward is a step closer to achieving your dreams. Don't stop pushing.
How about the west line?
West too big and the length also.
Oh,
I just got this one. It's still new.
all repair, huh?
See, for example. I want from the west. Okay. But
Okay.
they told us it should be white from here. The uniform this year should be like this, not slim.
So no need to slim from that part.
No, down,
Down, no.
down.
Same.
So the length
Let
and the
only
waist
and west.
and little bit from here. Only little bit.
You told me I no need here.
I think it will be too like Alibaba.
So 1 inch only. Half inch.
Okay, okay.
Total.
Yeah, because
Total
this year-
2 inch.
Yeah, they told us like it should be like a bit wide, not something.
Okay, we will see. We will see.
Okay.
I take length first.
And until here. Is it nice?
That's okay.
Huh?
That's okay. Until where? Yeah.
Until
Yeah. What do you? No. You have to. No need. It's okay. No problem.
Okay.
You just
hold it like
adjust.
this?
No, yeah.
Like
Adjust.
this, like this.
Yeah, just like that. Okay. So 40 straight. So 41 and a half. Okay.
Okay.
41 and a half.
And the waist.
41 and a half. Just wait. I write.
Right.
Maybe I forgot.
Okay, alright. Here we give us different uniform. He said should be like a no comfortable. He said 41 and a half, right?
Yeah, 41 and a half. And then west line.
That's mine. Yes.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Just wait. I put mark.
Okay.
Okay. Finish.
Okay, خلاص. And how about from this?
Yeah, you remove and then I show you.
Okay.
So this is 11. So what
10
do you
or
think?
11?
Oh, 10, 10, 10,
10,
yes.
10.
10, but because
Yeah,
there is...
cup. So let's start from
yeah,
1.
yeah. Start from 1.
So it's 10.
That is 10.
Yeah.
So,
So we'll remove only 1.
what do you think?
We'll remove only 1 inch.
1 inch.
1 inch.
So becomes 9.
9.
Okay?
Until here.
Yeah.
What do you think? Should I make a little bit? Because the concept.
Because
is
I just done that one side by side. No?
Side by side.
Side by side.
Oh, okay.
So if you want 1 inch, so half inch from the other side, and then the other side also half inch. Total
Okay.
1 inch. Okay?
Okay. What time it will be ready, inshallah, this one? Tomorrow, what time should we come to?
Uh-huh. Why you need it tomorrow?
No, for example, I'll come tomorrow, right? If it's too wide, maybe I'll add half inch or 1 inch.
Mm. because if
I'll come in,
You make it-
like this side.
yeah,
I will not come
you
early
make,
morning.
you make it sure now because it's hard to repair again, and
Ah,
I
okay.
already make it this.
Okay. So let's make let's make only 1 inch.
1
because
inch.
if you remove two, it will be until
Eight.
here. It will be 8.
8, yes.
Then what's the size of the sling? Sling size, like normally how much?
Normally the standard is 8 inches.
The standard for
Yes,
clothes.
yes. But you are tall, no?
Ah,
So it's better for you, maybe 9 like that. It's
Nine.
okay.
because for me it's okay. The only thing that matters for uniform, they say should be the concept. It's wide from down, down. So I'll make 8 or 9.
Yeah, 9 it's better.
9. So
Mm.
9 it will be.
Here,
Huh? So this is.
here. This is
So I'm so
Yeah,
you mean 10.
10 because
10.
minus 1, no?
Ah, okay. So 9.
So 9, this is 9.
Okay.
If my measurement is complete,
Okay.
because less 1 inch, that's why
Okay. So 9.
here 10. Okay.
So make 9, not 8.
Not
Yeah,
because
so it will be
it's
too short. Okay. Okay.
It's
Ah.
too small, no, from you
Okay,
because
so-
you're tall and
Oh.
you're big also.
Oh, خلاص. يلا إن شاء الله.
Okay,
يلا.
This one is good for you. I think.
Okay. Okay. خلاص.
What I think.
خلاص. I'll be you tomorrow إن شاء الله. Okay.
Yes.
I don't have class now.
No problem.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'll come like this time, 5 p.m. Okay.
Yes,
Inshallah?
okay, okay.
Thank you, Pari.
Mhm.
Because I know Sunday is your off.
So 9, huh?
9, and then we said the length is 40.
Yeah, 42, 41 and a half.
Okay. خلاص. And the waist.
Hopefully this one 42 and a half by this, but in exactly measurement that is 40 and a half
40 and a half. Yeah.
because my minus 1.
Minus 1. So it's 40.5.
Because
Okay.
I start
Okay.
from this.
Ah, okay, no problem. And the waist 1.
Yeah, one.
How many inches you remove here? The waist?
2 inch
2 inch.
total.
Okay, خلاص. يلا.
Yeah, because 1 inch from the other side and 1 inch. More than 1 inch, no? You see? Just wait.
So
I
from
show
there to
Yeah, that one. Half, 1 and a half.
1 and a half. So
Total-
you remove from here to here?
Yeah, 1 and a half also here, so total 3 inch.
Ah, okay.
3 inch adjustment.
Okay, خلاص. Yeah. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Okay.
Thank you. Take care.
Okay, welcome.
No politics today? Ah, there. Yalla, take care.
Okay.
Thank you.